Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix Roblox account manager not working. So guys, in order for you to fix that, first thing that you will do is simply go to your Roblox account manager application. And from here guys, just simply right click the application Roblox account manager. And from here, just go to properties. And from here guys, on the properties, just go to compatibility over here. And now from here, just make sure to check this box, run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, and make sure to disable the full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator. And don't forget to click on apply over here guys. And now just click on OK. And now just simply open the application. And from here guys, so what you could try to do as well is just simply go to the gear icon over here. And now, once you are on the settings icon over here, just make sure to check this multi-Roblox and make sure to auto refresh cookies. So guys, make sure to check these boxes over here in order for this application to work. If it still doesn't work, you can just play around with these boxes over here. But I recommend just checking multi-Roblox and auto refresh cookies. And now just go to miscellaneous over here. And from here, just simply click on force update in order for this to work and click on yes. And then from there, you should be able to fix your Roblox account manager. And there you go. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just comment down below and we will try our best to answer your question. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.